Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to download and install Android APK file on your computer or laptop. So let's start. First of all, you have to download a emulator. For better performance, we select Nox Player. This is one of the best emulator for PC. Just go bignox.com. Download this app. Click here, download. This is a big file, so wait for. This is a big file, so wait 5 minutes. After few minutes, our file is downloaded. Watch the full video to know about the settings and the interface. Let's install this. Click install. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, click start. Skip. Okay, this is our app interface. This is our app interface as like Android, any Android phone. Type your email. Okay, accept. This is our Notepad interface. This is a browser and you can see some tools as like Android version. App Center, pre-registration. Here App Center, Google Play. Here is Google. Okay, let's check this App Center. Let's click Among Us. Just install, accept. Okay, you can see our file is installing as like our Android phone. Here we can find some other app. You can play PUBG or Free Fire, Clash of Clans, Talking Tom, and others all app as like Android phone. Let's search here. The name WhatsApp. Okay, we can see we have a install option. Hope you guys understand. You can use Instagram, Messenger, Snapchat, Imo, or share it, TikTok, any other app in this emulator. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all.